Well, hi. I didn't see you there.
I don't know where they are, guys.
Today we will be talking about the safeties of the planer and its purpose. As you can see, the machine is unplugged for safety reasons and purposes. That's what the plug looks like. See this rotating thing? It makes it go up and down to level your wood for pushing into and making the height of the wood thinner or just smoother. And I will say this and repeat it twice. Do not stick hand in planer. Do not stick hand in planer. Do not use gloves while using planer. Do not look inside planer. Do not stand in front of planer like this. See this button? Looks nice, doesn't it? This is the stop button. And if you press it, it stays in place. But if you turn it, oops, it's not in place anymore. Whenever it's not in place anymore, you can press the green button to turn it on. But if something goes wrong, like, oh my God, you just press the stop button. And whenever you're done, just keep it stopped or just unplug it. You can use any type of wood for the planer, like skinny wood, taller wood, fatter wood, bigger wood, longer wood. Just make sure the wood isn't 20 inches or wider.
Or less wide. 20. This is maximum 20 inches.
And now,
got that. Okay.
Do not do that. That is unsafe. Do not do that. See this crank? Nice, huh? It's all silver and stuff. Did you know if you like crank it,
How do you use it?
it goes down? And you can measure wood whenever it goes down. You can do it fast or slow.
Determined by this plane right here. See, too far in there.
See how fast I'm going? See? Do you see how fast I'm going? See how my hand's moving? Do you see how fast it's going? We will take this piece of wood and set it.
Let's go, boys.
And we're going to take this piece of wood. And that's how wood is made. Now we will just come over here and just make sure that the button's working.
I like to put the thing on there. That way, if it grabs it, I got strong belly button. Strong belly button. And I can push it on through like that.
I think it's working all right. And now,
We'll probably start doing actual.
thanks for watching the video. And make sure to stay wood.